Ay, ari sunod ha. Kwarta ba na? Tagan, kambing nga nagsuloy ba? Gini, nahurot ko kwarta na. Pag-abot ako sa bundok na. Mga barkada, nga ang dali ba eh. Hati ka ka. Bangka. Video ba?
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Hi. We're going home now. Come on. It's been a tiring day, but it's worth it. I'm so tired. That is long done.
Because move the mountain because you are in a God.
Oh my God,
Mountain.
you know what I mean? We waited to take us videos for we don't have any makeup, and we're the ladies are there.
Ngerti gak?
Rasa gini akan perut teman aku.
Ano, di church na kaya banta.
Come on! Is that a video? Still a video?
Dili, yan sa video.
So let's take the, ano na.
Yung pakto eh. Sorry kung patuloy ka ba sa lakot niya ng ibitan.
Ha? May sambunan. Sambunan. Sige dyan, sulti.
I'm so tired. This is the end of the road show.
And we're on our way to
We're all fucking over it. I don't say, thank you!
Go! We're going to our mansion in Ayala. God, it's so tiring.
Nag-iila kong bagay. Abutoy po siya dito. Yan ay siya nabihin.
You should also take videos of yourself.
No, I don't.
Hey, Rogan, I got a question for you. Come, video. So what do you think about nature's part?
I always nature part because it's very, very, very natural. It's like in paradise and I'm Eve and you are Adam.
The Beauty and the Beast.
Why do you think foragers in here?
Foragers are like snakes. They are like lions. I don't like them because they might bite me.
How about the two monkeys?
Two monkeys, it's very nice. They're very handsome monkeys, you know.
Oh my God, we're going now to our mansion in Ayala Heights. I want you to follow me. Come on. Come on, I will show you to our mansion. Rogan, lead the way.
Okay, this way. Oh, that's so
Are you going to upload it in YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, now picture in here. Picture in here. We're almost. Okay, wait. Rogan, let's take a picture.
1 minute left.
5, 3. How many minutes left?
12 minutes.
in the beach.
So, Nuska, how do you like the place?
Did you enjoy your tour around Nature's Park?
Nature's Spring.
Nature's Park.